Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to connect your Topstep account to TradingView and start trading right from your charts, you've clicked on the right video. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check if you can trade Topstep directly on TradingView, what to do if you don't see it as an option, and how you can still make it work by using TradingView. So let's jump right in, and I'll walk you through each step so you can get set up smoothly, even if this is your first time. Alright, first things first, let's go to TradingView. Open up your browser and type in TradingView.com or launch the app if you have it installed. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you'll want to register, but for now, you don't actually need to sign in just to look around and check available products. Still, being logged in helps, so I recommend it. Once you're on TradingView's homepage, take a look at the top section. You'll see a menu there. What we're after is the Products tab. Give that a click. Now, why am I taking you here? Because TradingView offers a suite of different tools, but we want to head straight for their trading features. This step basically ensures you're not poking around in the wrong area, and trust me, it saves you a lot of clicking around wondering where the trading connection settings are buried. Next up in the page you're on, scroll down to the bottom and look for something called the Trading Panel. This is the section where magic happens. It's where you actually connect to brokers and send orders straight from your charts. If you're new to this, imagine it like the control room of a spaceship. Without connecting your broker here, there's no way to launch trades from TradingView. Within the trading panel, you'll see a button or a link labeled All Brokers. Click on that. This will give you a full list of every broker that's officially supported by TradingView, and believe me, it's a pretty substantial list. Take a moment to look for Topstep here. They usually arrange it alphabetically, so it's pretty easy to scan. If you see Topstep listed, congratulations. That means you can connect your Topstep account directly to TradingView and you're set to start trading right there. If it's not appearing in the list, and don't worry, a lot of people find themselves in this situation. It simply means Topstep isn't natively supported by TradingView at this time. It might be a little disappointing, but don't let that stop you. Here's the workaround. You can actually use TradingView to make the connection from your Topstep account into TradingView. TradingView is a broker that's supported by both platforms, and Topstep typically offers access through them. So if you connect your Topstep account to TradingView and then connect TradingView to TradingView, you'll be able to place trades from your TradingView charts, just as if you were doing it natively. And that's really all there is to it. Setting this up might seem complicated at first, but once you understand the flow, it's pretty straightforward. Give yourself a little time to explore, and don't stress if you don't see Topstep at first glance. The workaround is reliable, and thousands of traders use it every day. Thanks for sticking with me through this quick guide. If you learned something new or this helped you get closer to your trading goals, make sure to hit that like button. Have questions about setting this up or want to share your own experience? Drop a comment below. I always try to reply and help out.